Next up, I'm going to show you just some real basic other text editing tags that we can use. In all Microsoft applications, you are pretty used to this. In any Word document, you're pretty used to these three guys right up here, right by my mouse. Bold, italicize, and underline. In HTML, we don't try to complicate it at all. Bold is simply B. It is an open and closed text tag situation again, meaning the text in between the open tag and the closed tag, between here and here, would become bolded. Italicized is the letter I. I'll show you that. Italicize. With the closed tag with the I. And then underline just works like that. They all three work the same, just the different letters. Pretty simple. So I can show you it inside of an HTML document in my body. Put a little space in between. I'm going to start a paragraph. I haven't aligned anything yet as far as a demonstration, so I'm going to make this text right align, meaning it'll start from the right and work into the document. This is a beautiful day outside. It really is today. It's June, as you see in the calendar, about 70 out. And I am inside recording these videos because I love my students. It is true. I really do. End the paragraph. Now, with that in mind, I'm going to go and emphasize beautiful with the bold. So look. I started my bold tag. Notice how my P at the end got mad because I haven't ended it yet. If I look at it right now, everything past beautiful is bolded. And even if I left this paragraph and started typing a new one, it would continue to be bold because I never closed it. So you need to close it. So I'm going to close it after day. Beautiful day. And now we see that the rest of the text has returned to a normal state. I'm going to italicize inside. Have to close it. So there's my open tag and there's my close tag. And I'll underline because I love my students. I'm actually just going to underline I love my students. Which I do. I really do. Trust me on that. So if we look at this, this is a beautiful day. Remember, I right aligned the paragraph, so that's why it's starting from the right. Beautiful day outside. I am inside recording these videos because I love my students. One of the common questions I get is, can you make it where it's underlined and italicized? And the answer, of course, is yes. Just make sure you end them together. Now, look how it's yelling at me. Even though I put the U, the closing U on the outside, it has to be in the order that you opened it, is the order you have to close it. So I need to move that U to this side so that the I can be happy. And there you have it. Now we have an italicized and underlined inside. Not that the other way wouldn't have worked, but it's a lot better when we do it this way. Two other tags that go along with text emphasis are emphasis and strong, which I don't really have that much experience with, so I'm going to test them live right here. I'm going to try the strong, and I'm going to close it after the word this, and let's see what it did. See, all it really does is the same thing. It just bolds it. It just gives it a different name. And I believe emphasis does, now emphasis is represented by EM. I believe it does the exact same thing, but I could be wrong. But it's just another way to italicize. So pretty much the only reason we'd use strong and emphasis, which I can also post right here. It's underlined. Strong text. The only reason we'd use strong and emphasis is when we're working on our CSS sheets later in the semester that make the page look different. May make it look different. So there you have it. Those are 5 more text editing tags you can use to make your web page look pretty.